Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aidil from grade 12 since I want to tell the story of the eruption mountain. A volcano is a mountain that opens the world to a pool of molten rock below the surface of the earth. When possibility of the eruption occurs, there are more there are more than 500 active volcanoes in the world. More than half of these volcanoes are part of the Ring of Fire, a region that encircles the Pacific Ocean. An eruption volcanoes can trigger tsunamis, faults, earthquakes, falls, and rock falls. In an eruption, gas and rock shoot up through the opening and several over fill the air with lava fragments. An eruption can cause lava falls, hot as falls, modules, and fast surges, falling ice, and falls fresh. Volcano is made of the first rock can be harsh, acidic, gritty, glassy, and smelly. The ash can cause damage to the lungs of older people, babies, and people with respiratory problems.